How do sociologists establish causality in research? Imagine trying to figure out if watching more television makes people less active. How do sociologists know if one thing actually causes the other, or if they just happen together? That's what we're exploring today. Sociologists start by noticing patterns or relationships between social variables. They might see that communities with higher unemployment also have higher crime rates. But seeing a connection isn't enough to say one causes the other. They need to dig deeper. The next step is to develop hypotheses. For example, sociologists might suggest that unemployment causes stress, which then leads to more crime. These ideas are based on social theories and previous research. Once they have a hypothesis, they test it using data. One common method is longitudinal studies. These follow the same group over time to see if changes in one variable happen before changes in another. For example, tracking employment status and crime rates over several years helps show which came first. If unemployment rises before crime increases, that supports a causal link. Sociologists also use experiments when possible. They might set up controlled environments where they manipulate one factor, like providing job training, and then observe if crime rates change. While experiments are rare in sociology because of ethical and practical issues, quasi-experimental designs are common. These compare groups that are similar but differ in one key way. To strengthen their claims, sociologists look for what is called probabilistic causality. This means that the cause makes the effect more likely but doesn't guarantee it. They also consider other factors that could influence results, known as confounding variables. For example, poverty might influence both unemployment and crime, so they control for it in their analysis. Another important part is understanding the social context. Sociologists examine how social mechanisms work to produce outcomes. They might use interviews or case studies to explore how community support systems or cultural norms influence the relationship. Finally, theory guides the process. Sociologists use existing social theories to form hypotheses and interpret data. They also build new theories based on what they observe. This combination of data and theory helps them make stronger causal claims. In the end, establishing causality in sociology isn't about finding simple cause and effect links. It's about carefully gathering evidence, controlling for other factors, and understanding the social processes at play. This approach helps sociologists explain how social forces shape our lives in ways that are often complex but always fascinating.